Hello, and welcome to our news show about blizzards. My name is Wyatt. In today's news, blizzards. A blizzard is a strong snowstorm. It is a mix of wind and heavy snow. Blizzards happen in cold places. When cold and warm air mix, blizzards are dangerous because it can cover people with snow and make people get frostbite. It can be hard to see or it can be hard to walk or drive. It is easy to get frostbite. It is easy to crash into a car. You should wear a lot of clothes if you are going out when there could be a blizzard. Stay safe for real news. This is Wyatt signing off.